Hi guys, today we'll be making some soy sauce chicken wings. Now cut potatoes into cubes. Now sear chicken wings. Add oil. To give the oil some flavors, we're going to add garlic and ginger. Garlic. Cook till garlic browns. Ginger. Cook till ginger browns. Now add the chicken wings. Cooking time 2 minutes each side. After 2 minutes, flip. Now take out the chicken wings. Now add the potatoes. 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 cup of water, one tablespoon of brown sugar. Cook for 8 minutes. This is how the potato should look like after 8 minutes. Now add chicken wings. Garlic and ginger. 1 cup of water. Stir. Cook for 10 minutes. Now the chicken wings are done. Cut vegetables. Cooking time 3 minutes. Rice. Garnish with green onions. So we have our chicken, our rice, and our vegetables.